Girl, it cool down. Don't my temper. Come and cool my temper. Girl, it cool down.
Hey guys, we are in the bathroom today. I'm going to be doing a bathroom makeover, and you guys absolutely loved my video that I did last week where I did a zero budget bedroom makeover for my sister. So I've been meaning to do the bathroom for so long. I'm not going to do a full makeover, and I'll explain the reasons why next week in my Q&A video. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss that. I answer all of your interior design questions, and then I had a few, you know, juicy personal life questions, so I'll make sure that I answer those too. But today's video is not going to be a zero budget makeover, but it is going to be around $100. So I did go out and get a few things, and then I just off the top of my head, I think it'll all add up to around $100. I am going to be using stuff around the house, and we are going to be painting in today's video. This is it. It's pretty basic. It's got this like gray taupey walls, and I got this bookshelf from the thrift store for 10 bucks. So we're gonna use this, and I'm just gonna use this to store tissue and perfume and all that stuff. Behind the door is the shower. There's no storage in the shower, as you can see. I've been keeping all of my soaps and shampoo and conditioner down on the floor, and that just gets messy and it's not a long-term solution. This is my towel warmer. This is my BFF. I use it all the time. The ceilings are somewhat tall. There's a little weird like crick in the wall, and I think I did that the last time I tried to make over the bathroom. So sorry, landlord. And then there's just this standard mirror here. I'm gonna keep that. I'm not gonna take it down, even though I would like to get a more fashionable mirror. I just don't think it's worth it. We're keeping the lights, and then we're gonna have to paint around this little vent fan up there. So for today's makeover, we wanna do a few things. We wanna corral all of the items that are just kinda usually scattered around. I want to add a pop and some character without doing too much to the space. I'm gonna show you guys some inspo photos here. So I'm looking to paint the ceiling and just kind of bring it down a bit. I feel like that will add that wow factor that I'm going for without spending a lot of money and without doing too much, because I'm really not trying to get on the floor and my hands and knees painting around toilets and all these little crevices in the bathroom. I really don't want to do that. I don't have the energy for it. So this is something like light and easy that you guys can do at home for a really affordable price. And then lastly, I want to create storage in the actual shower. I did buy a bathroom caddy to hang over the shower hook so that we can get that taken care of. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So first, I'm gonna get started with painting the ceiling.
Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know.
Does that look straight to you guys? It looks off to me. Yeah.
Girl, I like to keep things simple. Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you my nympho. Don't tell me that changed, have you screaming my name when you all not bad. Never too late for you all not bad.
Okay, good. I gotta fix that. This is probably the hardest part of this process. If you have like one of those like those devices where it puts a laser level, that would be perfect for this. Otherwise, you just gotta eye it and pray for the best.
Always getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know. I'ma hit you on a leg slide, we don't gotta waste no. Down to this creeping, this could be a secret, yeah. Écoute ça, papa. I'll be the son of the big boss. You know, got the rolling numbers.
I just finished painting. I started painting at like 1, I think it's like 1 or 2 o'clock, and it's 6 o'clock now. But I'm finally done. It's drying and it looks really good. I love the color, it's so cute. So next I'm going to hang up a piece of art right there. So I did buy this frame and I'm gonna make sure to include that in the $100 budget that we do, but let me show you guys. My house is a mess, so I'm sorry. Oh, I'm going to use this plant. It's a tropical plant. And so ooh, there's a flame right here. So I think that it would be good in the humidity. Also, it has these little pops of red, and so I think it'll be okay. I was looking for some fake plants, but I didn't find any that, excuse me, I didn't find any that are to my expectation. This is gonna go. So shopping my house so that we stay in budget. And over here, I've got 2 photos. So I picked up this frame for the makeover, and then this is a picture of my mom when she was like in her 20s. She's sitting in a theater and it has these like red seats, and I think that the red will just really tie everything together. She's also wearing this like taupey gray blazer, and then also because it's a vintage photo, it has like a sepia brownish kind of overlay, and I think that that's gonna just tie everything together. If for some reason this picture doesn't work, I was also looking at this one. It has this like burgundy hat. I like it here because I have a blue carpet, and then I think also this like cherry-ish walnut colored unit just kind of, I think it ties everything together nicely. But we have that as an option. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead with this one, and if it doesn't work, we'll try this one, but I think this one should work. I wanna hang it now before it gets too late because I don't want to disturb my neighbors late at night. It's 6:08 right now, and so I wanna get this hung up. After I hang this up and do some decorating, then we'll remove the tape once everything dries and do touch-ups. Sorry, my hands are super shiny because I have my eczema cream on. But I recommend little hooks like this because ain't nobody got time to be dealing with like real nails. These are just like made for hanging pictures. Oh man, there's 2 hooks on here, so I gotta do the little tape trick. If you don't know the tape trick, you take some painter's tape and you lay it on the frame where the hooks are, and then you just mark with a marker where the hooks are. So I'm gonna go get a marker and just mark right here and right here, and then you just put the tape on the wall and nail it in like that, and so it just helps you to know exactly where the holes are. I get so anxious when I do that. Actually, a couple of hard times. Like literally my heart is beating. You guys don't know how much anxiety I get from loud noises and like feeling like I disturb my neighbors. Am I the only person? Type in the comments if you guys get like social anxiety or just anxiety from like the idea of being disruptive. Like I don't know, it just really makes me nervous. I don't know why. Put it in the comments, I want to know. But the loud noises are over. Okay. I think it looks good. I mean, the photo is a little small for this area, but I like the way it looks. I like the pop of the red. So let's move on to the styling portion. Okay, it's looking good. Let's start with the plant. I'm gonna put this down. It looks amazing. So first up, I have this little marble tray, and I think this would be perfect to like place all my perfumes, maybe some jewelry. I think it'll go really nice right here. And then I also have this that I got from the dollar store, and I decided to put some bobby pins in it because I'm always using my bobby pins. Aren't we all? And so I thought that this would be really cute. I think it's like a cup, like a drinking cup or like a liquor cup, but I'm using it for my bobby pins, and I think it's cute. I think it's nice and glam and a nice interesting way to use it. So I'm gonna put it maybe right here. Yeah, that's a cute place for it. Next, I'm taking these two little baskets that I got from Home Goods. They are $6.99 each. I'll do one here, and then the other one I'll do here. I'm just putting all my bulky items like hair dryer, hair products, heat protectant, shower caps. So these plastic bins I had stored in my laundry room, but I'm not really using them in there, so I took them out of there, and I'm gonna put them on the bottom shelf in here. Also, I have a partnership with Proactive. I did a commercial with them a couple of years ago, and ever since they've been sending me free products, and so I've kind of accumulated a bunch of Proactive products. So I'm gonna just keep these here and use them when I need them. Sometimes I give them away to friends. Other times I'll just use them as like my little stock bottle there. So yeah, here is everything. It looks so organized and beautiful. I'm gonna take my towel warmer, and I'm just gonna put it here. Off to the side here in the corner. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I really am loving the bathroom. It feels so cozy. Everything ties in just so nicely together. And I did all this for $100, so you can do it too. If you guys want to be a part of my Q&A next week and you have any questions for me, go ahead and drop them in the description box below. And if you missed last weekend's video, I'll make sure to go ahead and link it right here. I love you all, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye.